Are you someone who's experiencing this right now in your life that you're really working hard and you're hustling to make money, but money is not coming to you? And even if it comes, it's slipping away from your life. Do you know why exactly is this happening to you? It's happening to you not because of you, it's happening to you because of your money frequency. So, today I'm going to share with you 5 money frequency problems that you have and how to solve them. Problem number one, you are constantly living in money fear. How many times have you experienced that money has come to you and then you are thinking, only so much money, and this money is going to get over? If this month only so much came, next month how much money is going to come? You constantly are into fear with what you already have received. And I'm going to share with you right now what you need to do to fix this. Instead of having the feeling of lack of money, here is what you need to do. Whenever you receive your money, the first thing you need to do is receive that money with gratitude. And instead of worrying about the future and worrying and complaining that this much is not enough, here is something that I need you to do is be a person who can create more opportunity. Be a person who can welcome more abundance into your life with the feeling of gratitude. Because money doesn't grow with fear, money grows with faith. Problem number two, you feel guilty after spending money on yourself. Imagine that you recently had bought a bag or a shoe, and after you come back home and few days, you feel guilty that you spend the money. Or maybe you went on a holiday, you lavishly spend your money, and then you come back home and you start to pay your EMIs. And that's the time you don't feel good while giving away your money, and this lowers down your money frequency. And here's a solution that you need to do right away if you want to upgrade your money frequency. All you need to do is keep your hand on your heart and say that I am worthy of receiving money and giving away money, and see how you're going to shift your frequency. And in this way, it's going to train your nervous system that it's completely okay to have fun with your own money. It's completely okay to spend your money on yourself as well. Problem number three, that you think money comes only by struggle. Because as you were growing up, you must have heard from your parents or the people around you that said to you that money doesn't grow on trees. It's not easy to make money. You need to work hard to make money. And this has made a deep subconscious mind programming for you. And that is why you think that making money is difficult for you. Well, working hard is not difficult at all. Everybody has worked hard in their life at least once. Check the richest people all around the world. Once upon a time, they have really worked hard, but now that their work life might be a little different. But what was the frequency behind that hard work that they put is very important. Every hard work and efforts that they put had a deep frequency behind it, and it was love. Whatever they did it with a lot of love and compassion. And that's the exact frequency I want you to be in, so that you can upgrade your money frequency and you will watch money coming to you from all directions and easily as you follow this. Problem number four, you are jealous about other people's success. Now, please don't tell me that you're not a person who feels jealous, but yes, you do. That's why whenever you check out someone else's Instagram post and you see that they are traveling to Europe and here and there, immediately you feel that I should also be there, and how can I get there? I don't have that much of money. From where are they getting all the money from? And this lowers down your money frequency. And here's a very simple solution for each one of you is that every time you see an Instagram post or you want to do whatever you want to do in your life, what others are doing, that remember that if it is possible for them, it's going to be possible for you as well. Simply because at energy level, we are all one. Try to follow the simple method where you always remind yourself that it is possible for you as well. And you will get the ideas on how to do it and how to create that kind of life and success for you energetically. Problem number 5, you are waiting for the perfect timing, isn't it? How many times have you said to yourself that you're going to start that business next year? You're going to make that YouTube video after a few months. You are waiting for the perfect timing. And this is the exact frequency that is in you right now that is blocking abundance to walk into your life. And here's the solution for you. Remember that money doesn't wait for perfect people. You can be imperfect and yet make money into your life. So, all you need to do is to take that first baby step and take the action towards your business idea, towards maybe making that YouTube video or whatever it may be. So, don't wait for the perfect timing. The perfect timing is right now. Do comment below and let me know what are you going to begin with right now from today. So when it comes to money frequency, it's not only about asking for more money. It is about the deep feelings, beliefs and actions that you take towards manifesting your dream life. Do share this video to some of your friends who need to hear this today. If you found some value in this video today, then don't forget to give a like for me for today and subscribe to my channel to see more videos on money frequency. Thank you for watching.